This is how cold she is today, man. Look at this. Watch me end up in. Ooh. Throw's solid. I want to throw something at it. Oh no, I knew that was going to happen. Oh, wet foot, wet foot, wet foot, wet foot. Oh, I'm leaving. I can't feel my feet, mate. I swear to God. No, I don't sniff. I've even had bread on. I said this was going to happen, didn't I? You have to keep an eye on it. Pick a log. Oh, you're a little skimmer. Roach. Like a roach skimmer hybrid or something. Beautiful. In the net. We're into about 10 minutes so far. Those pinkies are fine. Ouch. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that is so not good. Oh, I did this last week, man. The full barb's gone in my finger. Jesus Christ. Ow. Oh God, I'm gonna have to gorge myself, there's blood everywhere. Oh, it's bad, it's bad. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's probably gonna get infected now. Oh, it's a big old cut as well. What an idiot. We'll send that out there with some blood on it, man, it might help it out. Bad that. Done that one time before, but bad, like proper bad, with a bigger hook as well, man. I had to go get my dad to to gorge it out of my finger. Should have gone the other way. Oh, he's in, he's in. It's all gone wrong. You frame.
Shall I give Roach a blowjob?
To go down and help him.
It's alright, the man's packing him around with your piss.
Can't even get up now.
She's in it, I'll go be in it and you just try and crawl back up there. Well.
Leave us that bank stick, Adam.
Huh?
Hey? Yeah. It doesn't really matter where you go, it's all same. Just gonna wash my hands.
Alright there, man. Got about £4. Wow, this is thick, this. Oh.
It would have been alright if it'd been up and you'd been here. That one's moving up again, hasn't that?
Seen him bagging all day, man.
Hey, I was fishing, I got a roach and I took hook out and I dropped floating water. I chucked it in there and I lifted it out. I thought, oh, there's another one on. I was going to hang it and I lifted it out. There's a big one and it up. And I dropped it.
That's class.
Oh, I said 4. Done well there.
£4.12. £4.12.
Yes.
£4.12. Two sinking women.
£4.12.
Good day, that.
Fall again now if you go down now, you fall.
You are coming back. This is that peg I had other week. I was in here other week. I remember that thing.
This is it in it?
I'll chuck them in.
Alright.
Easy, won't it? Already fucking...
I thought you was in here, right?
Once that one's cutting out of there, once it's up, you don't even know that's there, and all sorts get snagged in it.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Remember, innit?
Hold on, I'm stuck now.
Can we make a chain?
This will be used when we get in your peg. Oh, now I'm stuck. Out of it. Are you done? Jesus Christ, we pick our days, man. Right, where's my little thingy-majigger? What I also have in here? Was that lightning? Oh my days, that was... Oh my... Oh, we're off, we're off! Oh my lord! Ah, I'm surrounded by trees, man! Oh my lord! What the f, mate? It's the middle of winter, never fun doing lightnings! Safest place in this situation, in the middle of a field, crouched down. We're crouched down in this field. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to give it 5 minutes, guys, and I'm going to get myself back. What a day.